Hey guys, today I'm making an Ayurvedic Fenugreek hair mask that's rich and creamy and has the perfect plant-based properties to moisturize and strengthen the hair. It's your girl Renee Barnett and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this hair treatment, I'll be using Fenugreek powder, Amla powder, an aloe vera leaf, 2 of them actually, olive oil, lavender essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. So I'm going to start by cutting up my aloe vera leaves so that I can extract the pure aloe vera juice to use as one of my liquid ingredients. So for this video, my aloe leaf has already been cleaned and prepared for the extraction process. So if you want to see how I did that, be sure to come back to my channel as I will be uploading that video very soon. So as you can see, I'm cutting my aloe up into smaller pieces and removing the spiny parts off the side of the leaf. Aloe is a great natural moisturizer for the hair. It contains vitamins A, vitamins B, C, and E. It also contains proteolytic enzymes, which repair the dead skin cells on the scalp. And aloe is very similar to keratin as it helps to improve the elasticity of the hair and it prevents damage. Once my aloe is cut into small pieces, I split it down the middle so that I can get out the actual aloe gel itself and extract the juice from there. So you can use whatever method is easier for you to cut up the aloe. I also like to use gloves as it can be very slippery and these gloves do help to stabilize my grip. So I'm just scooping out my gel into a bowl, and I actually did use 2 aloe vera leaves to make sure that I have enough juice for my cream mixture. So guys, this will actually be my first time trying this type of treatment on my hair. So I'm really excited to see and feel the results. Plus, I have heard so much about the benefits that Ayurveda has to offer the hair, like preventing hair loss, promoting hair growth, and even preventing and slowing down the graying process. This was the amount of aloe that I was able to get from 2 leaves, which I got from my local grocery store in the organic section. Now I'm going to place my aloe into my blender, and I'm going to be using the pulsating setting as aloe can become very foamy if you blend it on high speed. Now once my aloe's done blending, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite cheesecloth, and the juice will actually strain through by itself. However, once my cup gets full, I'm going to continue to strain out the rest. And now I have pure aloe vera juice. Now 2 aloe leaves actually gave me 2 cups of juice, so that's not too bad. Now I'm going to mix my fenugreek and my amla powder together. But before I do, I'm going to strain my powder so that I remove any clumps that will make washing it out as easy as possible. So fenugreek is rich in iron and protein, and it helps to repair the hair at the shaft. It also makes the hair stronger at the follicle. It's supposed to reduce shedding and breaking and increase hair density. Now, amla powder contains fatty acids that penetrate the hair follicle, and it's known to condition the scalp, make the hair softer and shinier, and it's also supposed to minimize grays, which is a plus for me. It also increases blood circulation to the scalp so that the scalp can get all the nutrients and oxygen that it needs. So now that my powders have been mixed together, I'm going to add my liquids, starting with my aloe juice. I'm going to measure out about 1.5 cups of aloe juice, but I'm starting small by using 1/4 cup measurements. Now for the fenugreek powder, I used 4 tablespoons, and for the amla powder, I used 3 tablespoons. Now I'm adding my olive oil, which has so many benefits for the hair, including conditioning the hair, reducing frizz, it prevents dandruff, and it fights free radicals. Now, olive oil tends to be a bit thicker compared to some of the other oils, so if you have thinner hair, it may not be the best choice for you, or you can still use it, just make sure that you wash it out really well if you want to try it. So now I'm going to blend the ingredients because the texture that I want is a creamy, smooth paste, which will make the application of the mask easy and it will be easy to remove. So now that I have the consistency that I want, I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes before I apply it to my hair, just to give it a little bit of time to settle. So guys, again, I'm using my gloves, and this I think makes it a little bit less messy to me, and it's just my preferred way of doing things. So now that my mixture has settled, I'm applying it from roots to ends throughout each section of my hair, and also making sure that the mixture is on my scalp. So guys, I have really been feeling all this self-love and self-care that I've been giving my hair, and I really hope that my hair appreciates this. So now I'm applying my plastic cap, and I'm going to let the mask sit on my hair for about 1 to 2 hours. You can do it a little less or a little longer. It's completely up to you. However, if you do have some Ayurvedic powder and it comes with instructions, I would just say follow the instructions. So the mask has been washed out of my hair. Now, washing your hair twice should do the trick, but because it is a habit of mine to wash my hair 3 times, that's exactly what I did, and I didn't have any residual product left over. My hair feels soft, and it actually feels thicker, and my curls seem to be much more defined. I will definitely be trying this mask again. So guys, let me know in the comments section if you would try a mask like this, or if you have and how it worked out for you. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, I would love for you guys to share this video with your friends, family, whoever you'd like. Product links are in the description box below if you want to give them a try, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.